Okay, welcome back to your Caribou Data Science channel. This is Thursday, July the 22nd, 2020. It's time for us to update our databases now. We actually update three databases: Johns Hopkins University table, New York Times data, and Our World in Data. And before we get started, I have that one favor to ask as always, and that's that you click on that subscribe button. Of course, you know we're very close to 200. I say we because this is your channel also. We're very close to 200 subscribers. We're currently at 199 subscribers, so one more subscriber and we'll reach the 200 mark by Sunday evening. Okay. If you know someone who's interested in our programming or data analytics for COVID-19, by all means, click on that share button. Share this video with them on your Facebook and your Twitter accounts. You can also copy and paste the link to this video inside your the text message and email and share it with your friends and family that way, okay? Okay, so let's get started here. Let's run, as we always do, let's run the Johns Hopkins University database first. That's one down. And I'm whistling an old folk song that's made famous by that's embarrassing. I can't think of the group, but Peter, Paul, and Mary. I think it's called like 100 Miles. Okay. Now how does that go? 100 Miles lyrics. If you miss the train I'm on, you will know that I am gone. You can hear the whistle blowing 100 miles. 100 miles, 100 miles, 100 miles, 100 miles. You can hear the whistle blow 100 miles. Okay, that's two down, one to go. Uh, okay, the date stamps on the rest of those are going to be wrong, but that's okay. So we'll run this, then we'll come over and take a look at the You know what's kind of sobering about to say it goes back to 2000. Was it 2010? If it's 2000, that's 21 years. That's 21 years worth of data, which is sort of sobering. You know, it's only what? Okay, there's no. Okay, so let's just check our database here. I've been pondering doing a project on what I've been wanting to look at. I wanted to look at sickle cell anemia. Okay, and according to one source I read, 90% of African Americans suffer from sickle cell anemia. That also means, of course, 10%. The other 10% are people like Hispanics, I think, maybe Asian descent, but certainly Hispanics. Uh, According to CDC, the data goes back to 2000 and hopefully 2000, 2010. Now the question is, they gave me a link. The CDC gave me a link. Now, unfortunately, we only have 10 years worth, probably not even 10 years because it probably isn't going to include the current year. So we may only have 8 years of sickle cell anemia, which is really kind of sad because this is not a new disease. And yet the CDC has only been tracking the data for what, 8 to 9 years so far. That's not a lot of data points. Okay, but we'll take a look at that. That's a subject for a different video. So now let's come over here. We wanted to check, make sure our data are correctly updated. Okay, good. So our database successfully updated. So now it's time to move on to our data reports. Before again, let you know, hey, don't forget to click on that subscribe button. And also don't forget to click on the share button. Uh, okay, so here we go. First of all, we want to come up here